Well, good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, 45 degrees. Perfect weather for processing. If you notice, I am standing here next to this excavator. If I'm standing here next to the excavator, that means there's no trucks running today. So I don't have to watch out for them. They don't have to watch out for me. And I plan on staying 8 hours on the processor. I want to get some wood processed. This is the stack that I'm going to try and get done today, depending on customers if they come in. But I thought I would try and get this done and one little stack over in the RV park. If I can get this done, man, it'll be a great day. I will keep you posted on how things are going and if I can manage to get this done. It took me about 15 minutes to get about a half cord of logs cut and split. I've already got my deck loaded up again, and I am now pulling out of this pile. That first deck that's already cut and split in the truck came from the RV park. So I'm thinking that there's probably about 4 or 5 cords in here, which would be fine. This is the perfect ideal for me. I love doing this size of wood. It takes me a little bit longer, but I still like doing it. I'm just going to be filling up the truck today and dumping it over in the RV park. I'm not going to worry about stacking it today. I just want to get this cut and split. It's probably 50 degrees out here. I'm going to be shedding my jacket here shortly because it's starting to get warm. That's the perfect time for drying. No rain in the forecast. Just nice sunny days with a little bit of a breeze. Perfect. Well, I would say a couple of more logs and this cord will be done. And once it's done, we'll go and dump it and we'll check that little program out. I've already got my live deck is full again, so I'm ready to go. Rock and roll. Well, that's a nice looking load. That's 1 cord. Got the truck emptied again, and I plan on filling it. This is 5 cords over here that's already sold, out here drying. So that's when we decided that for now, I just want to get everything cut, split, and drying. And if I get in the mood to stack, I can stack later. I'm back here at the processor, got the dump truck backed up to the elevator. I've got a half a load of logs here on my log deck, but I do believe it's time for a coffee break. Well, coffee break is over. Deck is loaded. I kind of wanted to mention, I feel very blessed to be able to have a wood yard that I can walk to or take my gizmo and drive around it. If something was to break or I needed a tool, I don't have to jump in a vehicle and run home 4 or 5 miles or 10 miles, however far a wood yard would be. It's right here at my fingertips. I jump in my gizmo, I go get my hammer or screwdriver or whatever it is that I need to fix any issues that I have. I don't have to try and carry a bunch of stuff in the vehicle so that anticipating a problem. So far, no problems today. I will keep you posted and probably get the dump truck loaded again, and you'll check out that pile so I can keep on working. I think I'm making a stab at my pile, but I don't know yet. I'll take you around here. Let's see how I'm doing. I'm probably now hour and a half into it. And the wind's picking up. I'm going to have to put some suntan lotion on here. So I think I'm making a dent. But we'll see at the end of the day how far I get, because there's always tomorrow. Well, it looks like number 2 is done. If I was to take everything that is above my wood here and come all the way back to here, that would fill it in, and that is a full cord. If I was to take that and bring it down and just kind of smooth it out, that would be a cord. So, let's go dump it. Well, that looks pretty nice here on the ground. So, since I still have some logs over there that could be processed, I think I'm going to process. I don't want you guys to think that I'm over here slacking, being a slacker. And maybe after that one, I'll stop and have lunch. But It's kind of looking pretty ugly over there. It's raining up there on that mountain, but the sun's trying to come out, but the clouds are rolling in. Not much snow on those mountains now. Well, as you can see, I got 3 cords done today. This is what it looks like. This is a full cord. Since I have, if I was to straighten this all up, and it would definitely be a little over a cord, which is fine. We'll be stacking it and making cords out of it, half a cord. So let's go see what I did on my stack of wood. My machine is running really good right now. Man, I tell you, I couldn't do this without it. We'll walk over here to my pile. Maybe thinking that I was going to get it done today was a little bit ambitious, but I think I got half of it. I'll have to look at the beginning of the film and just see, but I think I did pretty good, considering it was just me by myself. That last load took a little bit longer. I had a lot of resplits, so it did take a little bit longer to get that cord finished off, but it looks like it's going to rain. I can feel the raindrops, and I need to go in and get Jeff's dinner ready. So, from the Alaska WoodYard, I keep the sawdust flying. And thanks for coming along.